back to Jemonica K. So today I decided to make a video on some of my favorite self-care products. So first, I want to start with hair products because in the last video, I forgot to add that footage of some of the shampoos and things like that that I like to use. So we're going to start with that, and then we'll move to the body washes and soaps and all of that. So what I wanted to show you all was the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I love this shampoo and conditioner. It does not take a lot of this product. It lathers up very well. It's very thick. I purchased both of these from Costco, and this is my first time seeing them in this size, and it was a really good deal. They were $11 each. And if you know about Shea Moisture products, usually you get like a small, very small bottle of shampoo, and I think you pay maybe $10 or $11 depending on where you purchase that from. So Shea Moisture, that's a good shampoo and conditioner to use. My go-to shampoo and conditioner is the Cream of Nature. I love the cream. I love all of Cream of Nature products. And it smells really good, so this is another favorite. And recently when I went into the store, I saw this, the Cream of Nature Pure Honey. I don't know if this is new or not. It was my first time seeing it. They could have, it could have been there the whole time, but I purchased this from Walmart. So yeah, that's basically it with the shampoo. I just wanted to add this into the video because I forgot to add that footage in my last video. So let's move to, one thing I wanted to show you was if you are on a budget and you really can't buy the Cream of Nature or the Shea Moisture, because I know they can be expensive, the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration, as you can see, I've used a good amount of that too. This is really good. So if you can't get any of those products, the Herbal Essence is a really good product. I haven't used any other ones other than the Hello Hydration, so I'm not sure about the other ones, but this is the only one that I use when it comes to that. My next favorite product is the Raw Sugar brand. Target carried this. I don't know if anybody else, I've never seen it anywhere else, but the raw coconut and mango, this is my favorite. I use the scrubs, the lotion, they have this body butter. I have not been able to find any of those products since everything has been going on, but coconut and mango, you would not be disappointed. I love it, and it smells so good. I don't know. I don't even know what it smells like. I can't describe the smell. I also purchased my husband. They have a men's line as well, and I purchased him some. I don't remember the scent, but they have a really good men's line too. What's the next one? So I'm just trying this one, the pineapple and mango. This is also Raw Sugar brand, but this is the pineapple and mango body butter. And then I also picked up the body mist, and I like these two because they're really light. The other thing I like about Raw Sugar products, if you have very sensitive skin, these are the products to use, because I have very sensitive skin, and some products that I can use I'm fine with, some it breaks me out, but I've used majority of all of their products, and I've never had a breakout or irritation or anything like that. So, and this one is pretty good too. It smells like, I don't know the kind of like a sweet mango type of scent. That's what this one smells like. I also picked up the watermelon and pink cactus sugar scrub. It doesn't smell like watermelon. Now they do have a body wash like this that's in the watermelon. Now that does smell like watermelon, but to me, the sugar scrub, the watermelon and pink cactus sugar scrub, to me it doesn't smell like watermelon. Now I want to get into, wait a minute, I have some more scrubs. So this Moroccan Rose, this is the scent Moroccan Rose. It's a shea sugar scrub. Now this sugar scrub my mom bought for me for Mother's Day, and I think she got it from Target. But I saw it in Walmart also, but I just so happened to be in Target one day because I like this one so much. I saw it in the coconut. As you can see, this one is still full. I've used it, but it's still full. But as you can see, this one is almost halfway empty. So I really, this one is good. So if you go out and purchase one of these products, I would recommend the coconut. It's called Coco Colada. That's the scent for this one. I really like this one. And I do want to share, I only brought one of the bath, body, and massage oils, the Shea Moisture. It smells really good. It just kind of, Shea Moisture products, to me, all have that same distinct scent. So if you like the hair products, of course, you'll love the body oils, and I think they have soaps and all of that. But I don't have the soaps, but I love this body oil. It's light. It's an oil, but it's light. It's not heavy. So that's what I really like about this oil. Now, this next item, I just recently purchased this Wood and Sparrow Shea Butter Sugar Scrub. And the scent on this one is coconut, and I guess that's Manuka honey. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. But this Shea Butter Sugar Scrub, it smells so good, and it just has a different texture. So I'm not sure, it has a different texture to me than just the regular scrubs. It's more, to me, it kind of reminds you of like a bath salt. That's what this reminds me of. But it smells really good. I purchased this from TJ Maxx. And so, as you know, when you go to TJ Maxx, if you see something, you better get it because you don't know if you're going to see that same brand. So I'm going to actually look this brand up on Amazon. Or if I'm in TJ Maxx and I see it, I'll definitely be getting something else that they make because I really like this. And the last thing that I want to show you all is actually some hand soaps. And, of course, raw sugar. This is the raw coconut and mango. And then this one, I really like this one, the watermelon and fresh mint. And it smells exactly like watermelon and fresh mint. And, of course, the raw coconut and mango, this is an all-time favorite. They do have lemon. Now, if you like lemon like that, you will like the lemon because it's very strong. But I am not a fan of the lemon scent, so I don't get the lemon. But yeah, I just wanted to share some of my products. Now, none of these items or products, none of these products are sponsored. I just wanted to share some of my favorite products with you all because I enjoy watching those type of videos where people share products, and that way it kind of saves you from spending money on products that's not good, that don't smell good, but all of these products are really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face.